Hello friend, in this tutorial we are going to learn Wazuh Manager installation on Kali Linux. Now there are two types of installation. The first one is automated installation which is very easy to do, and the second one is custom which is little bit complex. So we are going to learn here in this video how to do the install or how to do the installation of Wazuh Manager, that is in automated way. Okay, so automated installation of Wazuh Manager inside the Kali Linux. Now for that purpose you need to first run these two commands: sudo apt update, sudo apt upgrade -y. Make sure you have a good internet speed and your Kali Linux is connected with the internet. Okay, now after doing this, what you need to do, you need to download the script for the Wazuh and watch the link what I am going to do. So the command for that is you have to run curl -so https packages.wazuh.com, and then here you have to give the package number. So I'm giving suppose 4.9. Okay, you can give 4.8 also. There are different version. I'm going to install this one, Wazuh dash install .sh. That is the sh file, that is a shell script file. Okay, so this will be the complete path. You have to type this one and just press enter and run ls command, and here you will see Wazuh install.sh file. That is the Wazuh installation file. Now before you are going to execute, you need to give the execute permission to this file. How to give that? Just type chmod +x and the name of the file. Okay, and done. Now your Wazuh installation file or shell script is ready to install. Now how to install this in single command? The command is sudo /Wazuh. Remember this. This is the very important one. Wazuh /Wazuh install.sh. That is script name, and then -a -i and -o. Now why this we are giving this three? Okay, so here -a means all components. All components means install the manager, indexer and dashboard. Okay, all. Now the -i for install indexer. Okay, which is required for storing the log files. And the last one, that is -o, which is for installing the dashboard, which is used for web UI for alerts. Okay, once you run this one and it's ask the password for the Kali Linux user, just type your password and the installation begin. Remember what's going to install. Okay, so here what going to install automatically, what will happen? This command will install Wazuh Manager, install indexer, install dashboard, install SSL certificate. Okay, generate the SSL certificate and configure all services. Also start all the components. Also create admin, login panel and password. No manual repository or GPG steps required here. Okay, only one command, no manual error, perfect for lab student who are practicing SOC. Okay, so if you are practicing for cybersecurity penetration testing, this is the perfect way to do the installation of Wazuh installation on your Kali Linux machine. So just keep watching. Don't skip any step. Okay, don't skip any steps. Keep watching. So what we can see, first you can see here, Wazuh indexer installation is going on. Okay, dashboard certificate generated, installation Phoenix. You can see starting service Wazuh indexer, and you can see Wazuh server started Wazuh manager installation. You can see this one, starting the Wazuh manager installation. So the starting manager Wazuh manager installation is going on. So just keep watching. So you can see now starting file bit installation, file bit installation. Okay. Then you can see now starting Wazuh dashboard installation. Now you can see that we have successfully installed the Wazuh manager and installation finish. You can see the last line. Now here what you see, username admin, and this is the password, default password. So what you need to do, you just need to copy it from here. Okay, so copy, then go to the browser and type the IP address. So you can check your IP address. Suppose if config ets 0. Let me check the IP address. The IP address is 192.168.29.118. Okay, you can see this IP address 29.18. Okay, so I just copy this password, username admin. Okay, and you know the IP address, so you can go to the browser and type the IP address here. So go to the browser and type the IP address 192.168.29.1118. And here you see something like this, what you need to go to click on advanced, then scroll down, accept the risk and continue. Click here, accept the risk and continue. And here it is, your Wazuh login is here. Just type the username. Default username is admin, and password is the password which I shared with you. Just paste the password and click on login, and you can save it here and wait. It's loading, and once it loaded, you will be able to see the Wazuh login panel and the dashboard. So you can see this is the dashboard for the Wazuh, and if you see the click on the left hand side, you see all the options here, like for dashboard management, indexer management, server management, cloud security, security operation, threat intelligence, endpoint security, and home directory. Okay, so you can see everything here, and you can see dashboard management, reporting, server API, everything here. So this is how you can install Wazuh inside your Kali Linux machine. If you want more information about this, you can ask in the comment section. I will create another video on that. So thank you for watching.